What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today, as you can see, this is our final update of Mind Blower from Fun Spot Kissimmee. And this, like I said, was a pretty simple coaster to finish up. This is just the second half of the ride being built, so this is the final update for you guys of this small little coaster while we're leading up to our next big coaster, My Hero Escape, that is going to start in May. But for now, enjoy this last little update right here, and also the final video will be out at the end of April this month. And there you guys have it. That is the completion of this small little coaster. You guys will see the 3D printed logo and also some other cool little things going along in the final video of this coaster. So stay tuned for that at the end of the month. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Wednesdays so far, as I will keep them coming. See you guys, and I'll see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!